Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on the Motorola Moto E22. And to do this we'll need to start with opening our Google Play Store. Here let's try to find the Microsoft Edge. Select it, download it. When it's ready, hit the open. And now you can sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices with this browser. You can also skip it by pressing on sign in later, accept or not for data sharing preferences, and move on. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. You can also skip it by pressing not now. From here the browser is ready, so let's open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.